Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, Exquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one goal at a time. So, we already did our 2021 goal overview, where I explained to you what my goals are for next year and how I plan on creating action steps to accomplish them. And this is the page, it's actually on the back of our 2021 goal page. It's going to be my personal goals. Now, I'm debating on whether I really want to do it on the back of this page or if I want to do it. No, I'm going to do it on the back of this page. That way they're all together. But we will be using our wellness sticker books. All kinds of wellness. We have the wellness that came out with the Ready Set Goals line, and then these are the two original wellness sticker books, the mini, which is discontinued, and then this wellness, which I think is discontinued as well. But I love both because they have the rose gold, you know, the rose gold. So I plan on using these sticker books to create the spread. I already kind of created a mock spread, and only thing I didn't do is come up. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and take alright, y'all. So, the first few minutes of this, let me just give y'all a little disclaimer, is me trying to get my life together, trying to figure out how I wanted to lay this out, even though I had already pre-pulled stickers and everything else. For whatever reason, Sister Girl was still on the struggle bus. So, I went ahead and fast forwarded through this part because it would have been like 8 minutes of you guys watching me pick up stickers and put down stickers and pick up stickers and put down stickers. And I figure y'all seen me be a mess enough, and y'all don't want to watch half a video of me being a mess. So I figure I'd put you guys out of my, or your, misery, because it ain't my misery, because I already went through it. But anyway, I put down one of the rectangular note sticker out of the mini sticker book. Didn't like it, pulled that up, put down a different one. Then I got my 4 boxes out of the regular, did I say fitness? Wellness. Out of the regular wellness sticker book. And I'm trying to get my life together and put those on the page. This is the back to, and I know I said this already, but somebody's going to say something, so I'm going to say it again. This is the back to my 2021 goals overview sheet. So it does not have any dotted lines or dot grid or grid. So I just eyeballed everything. I wanted the paper because I wanted the foiling that's on the paper. So I went through what I had to go through to get through. You know what I'm saying? And I put all my stickers on wax paper before, so that when it came time for me to have to situate, I knew that it was going to be a situation, for lack of a better term. So I knew that putting them on wax paper helps with picking stickers back up and putting them back down without ripping up the sticker or your paper. Don't know the science behind that. I'm sure it has something to do with the wax. But yes. So I took these arrow stickers out of one of those wellness sticker books. One of the 55 of them I have. And I'm using this to cover the notes at the top so that I can also write in what each section is going to be. So if you remember when we went over my goals overview for next year, I had wrote down 3 points, and honestly for the personal goals, I kind of had 4. Because the last point really didn't fit into any of the other 2 categories, so I just went ahead and threw it in with this one. So I'm going to section these off into those 4 categories, and each category I broke down into 3 more points and ways that I can achieve that goal and practice more towards that goal. Sorry, you guys, I cannot talk as usual. You know, whenever I get up here to talk, for whatever reason, I start stumbling over my words. Whatever. So my 4 categories are, or 4 goals, I should say. I shouldn't call them a category, because at this point they are definitely goals. Y'all, I was trying to put that sticker down for decor so bad, and it just did not. It did not fly. I think I ended up putting it down and ended up pulling it back up because I just didn't like the way it looked. Yep. It's still sitting on some wax paper to this day. One of these days, I'm going to work it in a spread. I'm determined. I'm going to work it into a spread, but until then, it will be chillaxing. So, back to the goals. My first goal is going to be to lose 30 pounds. And between now and then, I want to lose 30 pounds. Wish me luck, y'all. The second one is self-care. I need to do more practice of self-care. I am a giver, worker bee, helper. If you have an issue, I like to help you fix it. And because I do a lot of that, I don't leave a lot of time for myself. So that is my goal. I had to fix my pen because I was messing it up, and I think I ended up having a whiteout or something because I messed up, but whatever. That third goal is to create better routines because I just need to get my life together, you guys. I'm a schedule person. I love having a schedule. But for whatever reason lately, I've just been flying by the seat of my pants, and it's causing me to not complete all the tasks that I would like to complete. I'm not saying to have my days be super structured, where like, you need to do this, you need to do this, and you need to do this, and that's not life. My last goal was to exceed expectations. Now that kind of goes into my job. I don't really have any big career goals because I just want to learn more where I'm at right now. I just was recently promoted, and I'm not trying to rush into another promotion. I just want to become better at being a supervisor within my company, learning more knowledge throughout the other departments outside of just my own. Y'all, I think I ended up pulling that sticker up because I was struggling. And I remember I don't like the way it looked with the whiteout. I think I ended up pulling it up and pulling another one. I'm pretty sure that's what I did. After going through all this trouble trying to write 2 words on there. Yep. Yep, that's when I got irritated and just pulled another sticker like, you know what, I don't have time for this. This is some foolery. I ain't got time. I'm not doing it. You're not finna catch me slipping today. Boo. Okay, so this next clip is going to jump a little bit. Boom, here it is. My camera did something to the footage where it got distorted. So I was like, I still want to bring this video. I still want to show them how I laid out my goals. So I'm just going to explain what I did. Those checklist stickers I got out of the mini wellness sticker book. You can use any checklist stickers you have and just cut them in half, or you can use bullet points. And I just wrote down 3 things that could help me achieve that goal for that box. So for like the lose 30 pounds, I put eat and cook healthier, walk at least 4 times weekly. Weekly, try intermittent fasting. For the self-care, I put bubble baths, journal, read, treat myself more often. For better routines, I put go to bed by 2:30 when I get off, early enough. Travel, explore new places, and create a morning schedule. And then for exceed expectations, I put follow a mentor, finish tasks early, and help others. And for the personal goals, those letter stickers came out of the alphabet sticker book. And they're the same size letter stickers that I use for the sections for my goals overview. These ones just aren't foiled. And then all those little quotes I got out of the newer wellness sticker book, the one that came out with the Ready Set Goals collection. And I just put down some quotes that can remind me to put me first and, treat myself the best way that I can, because I only have me. I got one body. So that is my personal goals. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye now.